Nature somehow created things worse than dinosaurs. Number 1, cassowaries. Cassowaries look like oversized birds until you learn they can disembowel animals with a single kick. Each foot has a dagger-like claw that can grow over 4 inches long. They jump forward, slash downward, and aim for soft areas like the stomach or throat. People call them the most dangerous bird on Earth. Number 2, crocodiles. Crocodiles survived almost unchanged since the age of dinosaurs because their design was already perfect for killing. They can sense tiny vibrations in water, explode forward with insane speed, and crush bones with one bite. And once they grab something, they drag it underwater. Number 3, goblin sharks. This thing looks less like a shark and more like something the ocean was supposed to hide forever. Goblin sharks have jaws that launch forward out of their face fast enough to snatch prey before it can react. Most humans never see them because they live deep in the ocean where sunlight barely exists.